Hi, it's Rod and Brooke from Human Art.
Hi.
We just want to send you a special invitation personally to invite you to our relationship retreat. You want to tell them a little about it?
Yeah, it was going to be in St. George at the Green Valley Spa. We're super excited about it. We were thinking, oftentimes in therapy, you learn a skill or a tool in session, but then when you go home, you're kind of like, oh, that didn't work like it did
right
when we were there with Rod and Brooke, or they made it look so easy. So the beauty of the retreat is that we can spend more time to observe and to coach and to kind of help you develop those skills, because we know all good relationships are just skill based.
Well, and one thing that we've been seeing in our practice when it comes to teaching you to work with each other based on our authentic self is the collaborating piece. Really understanding how to talk to each other. We give you the skills, you go home, you're doing great, our families are doing great. Just a little bit of a barrier still in how to collaborate and talk to each other based on your own personal personality and design. So we're going to focus a lot on that. We've found, and we talked about this, didn't we, that in the family unit, the couple, the parents are so critical because how they're communicating with each other, how they're honoring each other's personality or authentic self sets the tone for the culture, right?
Well, and at Human Art, that's what I love about the theory, is that we always start with who you are authentically, and we want to validate your needs. It takes the blame out of it. We just start where you're at so that you never feel like you have to alter yourself to be in a relationship, and that you're not selfish to ask for the way you need your needs met, basically.
So all of the information is there, but it will be packed with classes, information, and mostly script or how to go through and do this. So if you're frustrated right now because you try and talk with each other but you just aren't quite understanding it, you just need a little more information on that. We're going to have an amazing weekend. All of the information's in the email. We wanted to invite you first. There's just a small group of people that we wanted to invite first. So get back with us, save the date, let us know. The information is all there, and we will just have a great time. Thanks.
Hope to see you there.
Thanks.